very still, guys. Just Judy, just stand there. Just stay there. Don't move, Judy. Just stand right there.